everyone, this is KJ Vlog, sa Filipino Reaction Reviews here, Kid of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito reaction video ang mga compilation naman ng Barda for today's video. So I won't say kaya na longer, panoorin natin to. So yeah, ano to?
Just wanted to try everything sa showbiz.
To try everything. Wala man lang may sumagot talaga kahapon sa tanong ko talaga kung narinig ninyo ang kanta ni Ginoo talaga sa PBB. Sa totoo lang, wala talagang sumagot. Bakit naman hindi kayo sumagot talaga? Nakakalungkot naman. Kausap ko na ngayon sarili ko, hindi nyo pa ako sinagot. Ang sad naman nun. Sad naman. Anyways, ang mukha ko naman.
Ako sa mga taong may gusto, pero di pa niya masabi.
Di ba? Para sa mga taong may gusto, sa mga hindi niya pa masabi. Di ba? Eh, wait lang. Wait. Wait. Oh my God, pakinggan natin to.
Saan ka doon medyo naapektuhan at medyo
Pakinggan natin to.
nagselos?
Nag-collapse.
Wala.
We, imposible.
Sila pareho.
Talaga ba? O sige, kung opinion niya yan at wala naman siyang tinatapakang tao, it's okay.
Tinatangkilik ng tao yung love team na Barda. So
Ganun.
ako Team Barda din ako.
Team Barda din pala siya.
Kakaiba kang nilalang. Sige na, tumayo ka na dyan.
Mainit nga po dito.
Kakaiba ka nila lang.
Isan ka.
Okay. Ay, iba na talaga. Gusto ko talaga itong video na to kasi sinabihan to talagang ganda mo. Namula pala talaga siya dyan, no? Can you just imagine? Namula talaga siya dyan. As in, namula talaga siya dyan. Ay, wait. Search muna natin ang mga clips kay Barbie Fortesa. Kung ano yung mga bagong dan chismis. For sure, may mga bagong dan kasi binatong chismis kay Barbie. Ay, ito. Eh, yung sabay sila nagkatingin na napasma si Jameson. Talaga ba? I doubt. Wala akong nararamdaman sa kanila. Lalo na alam ko ang nangyayari sa Barda. Hindi naman alam lahat. Diba? Na iko'y maramdaman. Ay. Okay. Ika'y kanino katawan ay nakatulala. Okay. Wala eh. Parang yung nilang chikahan dito, parang mag-friends lang talaga sila. Diba? Wala eh. Parang friends lang talaga sila because they have projects. Ganon. Tsaka kung may mali siya man yan, katulad ng ginagawa ni Barbie and David, hindi yan sila magiging in public na ganyan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, we all know about them. Hindi nga natin nakita before si Barbie and Jack Roberto na nagdi-date outside, nagdi-jogging outside. Usually sa vlog lang natin sila nakikita together. Di ba? Kasi private sila eh. Oh. Ngayon yung sabihin sa akin, nga aking pag-ibig. Okay. Enjoy lang ako. I'm not bothered anymore. Panatag ako, mami. Ay, wait. He moves with respect and love, never giving your reason, your police. Ano na naman to? You know, it's real. Ay, wait, what is this? Ay, ito yung sa Korea sila. Asian Airport. Sino kasama? Parang familiar itong kasama nila. Parang kilala ko to. Sino to? Di ba ano to? Influencer to? Si Kailin. Beauty Empire. What if i-search natin yung Beauty Empire? Kung anong lumalabas? Ay, ito ang daming lumalabas. Tingnan natin to.
Groundbreaking partnership between GMA Network, View Philippines, and Creation Studios for the highly anticipated drama series titled Beauty Empire.
Okay.
I'd just like to thank our partners, View and Creation,
View and Creations.
uniting with GMA to bring to you this very, very special project.
View Philippines, we've always been about bringing the best of premium Asian content to the rest of the world. We started with Korean drama, and I think there's no reason why Filipino content shouldn't be part of that conversation.
On behalf of Croatian Studios, we would like to express
Nakaka-excite naman to. Kailan lalabas to ang teaser?
May 7 and View for this incredible collaboration.
I'm very, very happy that two of our most beloved and best sparkle artists, not just
Yes.
sparkle, but GMA artists,
GMA
in
artist.
this soap opera. Of course, Barbie Fortesa and Kylene Alcantara.
Barbie Fortesa and Kaylin Alcantara.
Welcome, Bo Min. It's such an honor for us to have you in this soap opera. And aside from the other cast, I just like to acknowledge, of course, the beauty queens, the true beauty queens na
Okay.
tama naman sa beauty empire. Of course, former Miss Universe, Gloria Diaz. And second princess of Miss World, Rufa Gutierrez.
And it's truly inspiring to sit alongside some of the best creatives and industry leaders, individuals who share the same passion, commitment, and vision to create excellent or high-quality content, to promote the Filipino values, and of course, to tell stories that truly matter.
So really, I want to thank Creation, RJ Real, and Annette, GMA, for working with us.
Nakaka-excite
on this
naman
project,
to.
because that's really our goal, and we want Filipino content to be part of that statement. When we bring the best of premium Asian content, it includes Filipino content.
Oh.
Empire delves into the fierce rivalry among powerful women in the cutthroat beauty industry where ambition, revenge, and power take center stage.
Okay. Yes, Barbie Fortesa. Oh my God, ito ba yung Beauty Empire? Naglabas na ba sila? Okay. Okay. Eh. Oh. Already done? Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda talaga ni Barbie. Diba? She's so pretty indeed. Anyways, wait, tingnan natin si David Licao ko. David. Okay, tingnan natin. Ay, ito na. Ito na Ay. Cute talaga. Hinihintay niya na si B. Okay. Ganito pumarty. Patingin, ay, bakit pumarty naman ang ginoo natin? Choice. No, this was long time. We keep it rocking, sail 68. We kick to London. So, okay. Anyways, there you go guys. It is over for today's video. Our Barda compilation. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.